Okay, here's Santa Claus. He's very bilingual. He speaks English and Spanish. I'm sure he has to speak all the languages, right? There's Santa Claus. And here's this big thing right here where it comes over and down. And let's see what they have to offer here at Walmart for Christmas. Today is the 3rd of October. 3rd of October. Let's quietly go through here. I'm pushing a cart because I have to buy something they only sell here. A lot of people say, don't ever shop at Walmart. Walmart is bad. I don't know. This will probably be out on Monday. Let's see. I got one coming out Thursday for Friday. No, I'll have one Friday for Saturday. Sunday for this might be Monday. This will be Monday. So this is right now. It's Thursday the 3rd. So this will be out on Monday. We'll see how that goes. So this will be out on Monday. Look at these guys. So right now, a lot of people are saying it's too early to decorate for Halloween, and we have everything for Christmas here at the Walmart in Duarte, California. Do you ever go to Duarte, California? Do you know where it is? Duarte, California. It is. This area right here used to be known for groves of oranges and lemons. Look at that, a lot of smoke coming out of that one. Hopefully he'll be okay, right? But that's what it's known for. And look at this thing they made, Santa Shop. Santa Shop. Where's Thanksgiving? We've already, it's a what, 28 days until Halloween. We're already at Christmas time and no sign of Thanksgiving anywhere. We'll see. Will we find any sign of Thanksgiving? I don't know, but they kind of went all out this year. Usually it's really plain in here. I don't know if they're gonna have, they call them live Christmas trees, but really they're trees that were cut down. But trees that used to be live that we cut down and called live trees. I don't know if they have that this year. We'll see. I'm not really going in any particular order. I just am going to film this. There's a ladder right there, and then there's Santa who fell in. And let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a big, tall snowman. How tall is this snowman? I would say, I don't know what, maybe 15 feet tall. And it's a snowman, and he's got a cardinal on there. There's some story about the cardinal. I can't remember what it is. Do you remember the cardinal? And they have this over the doors, kind of like an arch. And there's one Christmas tree, and this aisle looks pretty boring. This is the stuff that's boxed up where you can buy it. So we're here to look at stuff, not buy anything right now. They have a Christmas tree up there. These are these huge blow-ups over here. So maybe another section, but they're really huge blow-ups. And here's some trees. And I think there's a sleigh above my head. Let's see. I don't know about that Santa Claus singing. Can you program it to only one language? I don't know, but there's Santa Claus and his reindeer. And here we go. Christmas tree. Here's a plain one. $99, and these are artificial. I don't know what they're made of. Poinsettia. Now don't put poinsettias around your kitties because they're poisonous to kitties. So if you have a poinsettia, I don't know what else they're poisonous to, but they are poisonous to kitty cats. So don't let them get near your poinsettia. So I will have this out on Monday, I guess, because I'm gonna do one. I've already committed to do one Friday for Saturday. Tomorrow being Friday, so I was gonna do this as a bonus video, but eventually I'm gonna run out of things to film. I can't keep doing bonus videos. They do have some firewood for $7.92. Pretty hot outside. You wouldn't think about making a fire in the fireplace right now, but $7.92, and they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 small logs, maybe 2 fire in the fireplace worth. Well, they do have more stuff outside. So here is, we'll go this way. Here's some more Christmas stuff. There is a penguin. Now, do penguins go to the North Pole, or are they only in the South Pole? They always say there's a glitch right there, because if Santa Claus is in the North Pole, but penguins are only the South Pole, and they also have them like in other areas. Was it Argentina or Chile? They have some there too, of all things. But here we are. Let's go outside and just take a quick look out here. They have a toy shop, which is good because there's really no toy stores anymore, really. So some people like Walmart, some people hate Walmart, some people say Walmart's really bad. Some people love Walmart. Some people call it Uncle Walt's. And they love them some Walmart. Walmart has low prices. And I heard the reason they are able to have things in stock that other stores don't have is if you sign a contract to sell your products in Walmart, they better be there. If your products are not there, you are fined. You get a big fine, and it's a large percentage. They said sometimes they will stock the shelves with products that are totally free to Walmart because that's in their contract. If it's, if it's a month late, if it's a couple days late, maybe it's 5 or 6% or 5%. If it's a month, it's this. If it's a couple of months, it could go down as low as they're getting 80% off or 90% off, or maybe even 100% off. So these are just all toys. And if you're a kid, you wouldn't say just toys, you'd say these are toys, right? And we have another tree right here. This is all just illuminated bicycles. This is all bicycles last year, and those are bicycles this year. Now hopefully nobody will come in here and take these bikes. These are kind of small. These are not the kind of bikes that the unhoused individuals usually walk in and walk out with. Those are, I could film that another day, but the ones they steal. One lady was I guess one of the managers or whatever of that area, and she said, what happens? Did we sell a lot of bikes? No, they're all stolen. And I think they had like 7 or 8 bikes stolen all in one day. So it's a lot. It's a lot of stolen bikes. And no violence of all this. They just get on the bike and ride off, or they wheel it out of the store. I told you about the one guy, he brings an air pump in so he can fill the tires in case he has to do a getaway, like a ride off and someone's chasing him. Maybe they're doing a sting operation in the sheriff's department, or someone, law enforcement, might be in the location. I know that Highway Patrol is the one doing the enforcement for the smash and grabs, but I don't know all the details on that. So I don't know if you ever had a ride off when they offered to sell me bikes from time to time. When I was working for the census, I was a recruiter, and I recruit outside of Walmart. Pretty smart, huh? If you need a job and you're at Walmart, I can get you a job then, and then $26 an hour, pretty flexible, and they would start. You get 8 weeks. You come in, they're on 8-week renewable, so you get 8 weeks, and then you would do it again and again, and they would offer to sell me stuff. One time they offered to sell me a lawnmower. It's funny because now I just pulled up the lawnmower, but they offered to sell me a lawnmower. I don't have a lawnmower. They offered to sell me power tools, but the main thing they tried to sell me was bicycles. Maybe it's because they're really easy to steal, or maybe I look like a guy that needs to ride a bike. I don't know. This is a two-sider. This is on this side just a bunch of lights and stuff. Not too interesting. They might have some new developments in lighting or new improvements or something. So we got this guy. What's his name from? That's somebody in Stitch or something, I don't know. And there's the Grinch. And there's the dog. And this is all just some wreaths here. And we got, once again, another penguin. Here we have some of these little houses. People put those around their tree or on the mantle or something, or make a little village. There is an angel, kind of getting back to the meaning of the season, I guess. Angels and the birth of Jesus. There's another Santa Claus. Some of these little houses. I'm sure they have some snow globes. I didn't. Oh, there they are, snow globes. They always have snow globes at Christmas. And here's another arch. And there we go. So I don't know what your feelings are of Walmart. Do you like Walmart? Dislike Walmart? I don't know what your feelings are. He's now singing in English. Or is it American? I don't know. So there's Santa. And we will leave here now. They got this guy, he's an avocado. See? One avocado. Some angels that go on top of the tree, I guess. Some bows, you can put them on your door or whatever. There's a Christmas pig. Pig in Santa hat, he's called. I guess he's not a cross promotion with something. There's a kitty. And my arm is getting really tired. I wasn't planning on filming anything. So here we go. We got some stickers and stuff for kids to play with, it looks like. Maybe wrapping paper and stuff like that. Is that a hedgehog right there? Let's see. Here's the dog's butt from the other side. Yeah, he is a hedgehog, 3-foot hedgehog with wreath, I guess, not a Santa hat. And then we have her again, Cindy Lou Who. And then this guy, I don't know if he's Bluesy. Bluey right there. And that's the end of the Christmas stuff. It's where you get all the Christmas stuff. Birds, cold at Christmas. And then here we have things to fill our swimming pools. Oh, we do have some things here too, not too many. some mesh to put on things, some wreaths right here. And I'm not sure about the pricing here. I'm sure it's less than it was at the Ace that I did yesterday. But this is the 3rd of October, so if you haven't got your Halloween Christmas tree, make sure you get one, because it is now 28 days until Christmas. Elf in the Shelf. Emily and I, we did Elf in the Shelf. I was Santa Claus and she was an elf, and it was fun. It was kind of long, but it was during the heat of COVID. Yeah, really scary. And in the middle of COVID, we didn't know, was everybody going to die, whatever, and kids weren't able to see Santa. So they'd come out and we would have a green screen. We'd stand behind, the people would stand behind the green screen, and then there was the camera pointing toward the Santa Claus. And then we'd tell them, you stand on this side and that side, leave room for me, I'm right here. And then what they do is you push a button with your foot, because you can't use your hand because it's COVID, and it would take a photograph. But anyway, Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. There is Santa Claus wishing you a very Merry Christmas on the 3rd of October.